Okay people, welcome back. Unfortunately this is going to be the third video. I'm going to be back on this fuel filler. Luckily they're short videos, but anyway, we've got the genuine little bezel, the ARV780020. So this is a genuine Land Rover part for in the filler door. So let's just quickly whack this in and see if it works. I'm just going to throw this little rubber boot on. As simple as that, and look at that. There you go guys, don't bother with that DA1114 kit if you only need this section here. If you need any of the latch parts that are in here, yeah, get that, that's fine. But yeah, this part, just stick with the genuine, you'll be right. Alright, that's my update. Glad to say I'm going to see the end of this now, so see you next time.